The vaccine for bird flu exposure is commercially available thanks to the Food and Drug Administration's approval of the manufacturer's application for consumer release. This announcement came out today from DHE Francisco Tiu Laurel Jr., who also said the poultry industry has a formidable protection against the avian menace that augurs well for the country's food security objectives. Vaccine manufacturer Volvac Best AI Plus ND says its H5N1 antidote also provides surefire protection against the dreaded velogenic Newcastle virus that is just as infectious and lethal.
Para sa ating sa chicken industry natin, definitely it will bababa ang risk nila, yung kaba, no? At mas lalakas ang loob na mag-invest ulit at mag-repopulate at magparami pa dahil mas hindi na delikadong ma-wipe out sila o mabangkarote na tinatawag natin. So with more production, is more supply, then it should help tame down prices. But of course, kailangan din naman kumita ng ating ng industry. Pero more production is always the susi sa lahat ng mga price issues natin.